Lightworker, welcome to my channel. My name is George Lizos. I'm a spiritual teacher, intuitive healer, and the #1 best-selling author of Be the Guru, Lightworkers Gotta Work and Protect Your Light. And I'm so excited to be here to take you through Shannon Kaiser's new deck, Unshakable Inner Peace Oracle cards. I am so excited to get my hands on this deck. Look how beautiful it is. It is a 4-4 card deck and guidebook to awaken and align with your true power. Shannon created this deck during the pandemic as a way to guide herself and ourselves to find inner peace among chaos. And I'm so excited to take you through these beautiful cards that, by the way, she designed herself. I didn't know that Shannon's background was in graphic design, so she created every single one of these beautiful collages. So first things first, the cards have a beautiful glossy finish, whereas the box has a matte finish with this golden spot over here. Now, there is a booklet that has information about each card, as most decks tend to do. And I want to read to you a little note here as to what the intention behind these cards is. By working with this deck, you will deepen your relationship with your true self and the Creator. Infinite wisdom and support are all around you at all times, and this energy is available to you right now. You can tap into this expansive healing field while you increase your awareness of your own heart and intuition and learn to trust yourself, your higher power, and the universe more. When you build this trust, faith becomes your foundation and inner peace is your constant. So the purpose of this deck is to train us into tuning into our inner peace, so much so that it becomes our daily experience. It becomes a constant, and therefore we're not very much swayed by all the unpredictability and the chaos that occasionally comes in our lives. So let's go through each card to see how it looks. So as you can see, these are all collage-based cards. They're not paintings. It's like a combination of different images together in a beautiful collage, creating these very diverse symbolic image that you can interpret in so many different ways. I love collages personally because of the diversity of the symbolism and because there's just so much for you to read there. You can read the colors, you can read the different symbols, you can read the collective essence of the cards, you can read the prompts as well. Now, when it comes to the prompts, you can see there is a prompt asking you to do something, but also there is a journal prompt over there that you can use to go deeper. So for example, here we have, out of the woods, you've made it through. What newness is emerging? So the way I like to work with these cards is at the beginning of the day, give myself a reading and then take my journal out and just use this journal prompt over here to just go deeper on the message and learn how to take the energy of this card and actualize it in my day-to-day experience. Because I feel in the spiritual community, we're so used to just receiving messages and just receiving them, not doing something with them. But if we don't actualize those messages, if we don't take action towards them, then are we really doing the work? The reason I wrote my second book, Lightworkers Gotta Work, is to communicate this message that it's not enough to just give ourselves a reading with a deck or do our spiritual practice. We need to receive the guidance from that practice and then do something about it. So that's why I like these journal prompts over here, because it gives us the opportunity to go deeper and to receive specific guidance as to how to embody this inner peace, how to embody this unshakable inner peace, and how to take action towards helping others experience it as well in a more palpable way. As you can see, the deck is very diverse. There are different images of people of all different races and backgrounds, which I think is beautiful. It's very inclusive. And there is a picture of Shannon Kaiser over here as well. I'm not sure if I passed it. Maybe it's one of the last. Oh, there she is. This is Shannon. Gratitude is a life force of peace. What are you thankful for? Beautiful. Now, this is the final card, and shall we do a collective reading over here? So I'm just gonna shuffle the cards over here and ask for a collective message to come through. Now, immediately this card popped out for me, so let's just see what it is. Nothing real can be threatened. How can you actively participate in creating heaven on earth? I love this card. So here is a message for you. The message for you right now is that whatever it is that's going on for you right now, maybe you're fearful about something, maybe you are stressed out, maybe you're unsure about something, maybe you need to make a decision, and you have all these negative feelings just swirling within you, within your body, within your energy field. That's not real. Because what is real is the love and the peace that you're made of. What is real is the love and the peace that's so rampant throughout nature and throughout the universe. What isn't real is anything that's disconnected from that, such as your fear, such as your limiting beliefs, such as your stress. So if your stress and your fears are not real and the only thing that's real is your inner peace, then why are you holding on to something that's not real? Just making this realization is the first step to lifting that fear, to lifting that stress, and realizing that underneath that, there is truth. Underneath that, there is the reality, which is the specific guidance that you need to get out of this situation, to find the solution that you're searching for, to make the decision that you so want to make that's aligned to your highest good. So, as you strip away the layers of fears and neuroses and stress, what is real for you right now? How does your soul already feels that you're not allowing yourself to feel? What does your soul already know that you're not allowing yourself to know? That is a question for you. So take that, journal it, or you can journal that prompt over here. How can you actively participate in creating heaven on earth, and see what comes up? All righty, my beautiful light workers, thank you so much for coming to my channel and enjoying this review and unboxing of Shannon Kaiser's new deck. Make sure to like this video, let us know in the comments which card was your favorite, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and card decks all about finding and following your life purpose.